Hi guys, my name is Gina and I'm going to be sharing something that will be of immense help to you out there. I want to talk about this great book that has impacted my life positively and that of my relationship with my partner. And I do believe that this book will impact your life as well. So this book was given to me by my cousin, and the title of the book is How to Make Him Propose to You Fast. That is how to make your man, your partner, propose to you fast. So here, this book has proven tips of how to make your man love and commit to you forever. I am not just speaking as an experiencer or a beneficiary. I am here to tell you that this book is the reason why I am happily married today. Yes, I am a Mrs. today because of this book. It may seem simple, seem simple, but it's not that easy. But there are a few things that you will learn from this book, such as ways to make your man propose to you, the levels of commitment levels in relationships, and also things you can do to actually make your man propose to you. So I am a beneficiary of this book and I know it will impact your life. I want to say thank you to the author, Mr. Joshua O, for this amazing piece, and I hope that you all out there will get it for yourself. It's an amazing book. Thank you.